Good day and welcome to the channel. In this crazy short video, we're going to show you how to change the grips on your bike. So there's a couple of different kinds of grips. There's the old friction fit kind, which are pretty popular, especially with sort of stock retail bikes, you know, commodity stuff. And then there's the better and much easier to change bolt down, screw down handles. These are awesome. And I'm changing because I want that little flange for my long bike rides. And you can see I've got this one already on and this one I haven't swapped yet. Let's show you how to do that. The biggest problem with changing these isn't putting the new one on. That's super simple. Well, the problem is getting the old one off. So what a lot of people will do is they'll tell you to take an air compressor, peel that back a bit, and then jam air under it, and it will create an air gap that lets you slide it out. And yeah, that'll work, but that's kind of a pain. Other people will tell you to peel it back a bit and use lubricant. Some others will tell you just to take an X-Acto knife and cut it off. And you can do that, but it's kind of a waste. I have an easier way. Let me show you. Take your thumbs like this and roll it back. And you think, I won't be able to do that. Yeah, you probably can. I've done this, a dozen times or so over the years. So certainly I'm no bike shop, but I've done this enough. And these just roll out. There'll be an end plug here. That's a little tougher to get out, but not much. All you have to do is turn it a bit. There you go. Now for the new grip, pop it on. Make sure it's flush to the end here. Get it the angle you want it to be, about that, and crank it down. Now there are all kinds of different grips you can buy. A lot of them are the old friction fit kind, but why bother? The new standard are these ones that have aluminum end caps that screw down. Much more solid and so much easier to install. And at $12 Canadian, so what, $8.50 US, coming in different colors as well, it seems to me they're the only way to go. Now the end caps are always a problem for people, but there's no need. Simply put your butterfly nut on the end cap, tighten it down a bit, but not so much that the butterfly starts butterflying out, just to take up the slack. Pop that on, and then you just start cranking. Pretty straightforward. And that's it. If you found the video useful, big thumbs up, it'd be super appreciated.